and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study about a very important poet of English literature, John Donne. So have you ever wondered why John Donne is called the father of metaphysical poetry? So in this video we will study about John Donne's biography, his early life, marriage, everything about him. So let's start the video. So let us study about John Donne. John Donne was born on 1572 and he died on 1631. John Donne was one of the most important poets of 17th century. He was an English poet, priest, lawyer, scholar and a metaphysical poet. So what was John Donne? He was priest, lawyer, scholar and a metaphysical poet. The second point is birth and his family. So, John Donne was born on 1572. When was John Donne born? He was born on 1572. Place, London, England. What was the place? London, England. He belonged to a Catholic family. His father was John Donne. उनके father का क्या नाम था? His father name was John Donne. His mother name was Elizabeth Heywood. So what was the name of his mother? His mother name was Elizabeth Heywood. Now let us discuss about his education. So John Donne had studied from Oxford University. And now let us discuss about his education. John Donne has studied in Oxford University and he had studied literature, theology, law, classical language. So these were the things he has learned in his university, but he did not got his degree because he belonged to a Roman Catholic family. Then fourth is, let us discuss about his early life. What was his early life? Became interested in poetry, religion, politics. So John Donne किस में ज़्यादा interested रहते थे? Poetry में, religion में and politics में. उन्होंने एज अ क्या काम किया? एज अ सेक्रेटरी. सो ही वर्कड एज अ सेक्रेटरी. देन फिफ्थ इज हिज मैरिज. नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट हिज मैरिज. ही मैरिड सीक्रेटली इन 1601. उन्होंने छुप के शादी की 1601 में. किससे शादी की? एनी मोर. सो जॉन डन मैरिड एनी मोर in 1601 and he had 12 children with his wife. But due to financial conditions and any more father was not accepting the marriage with John Donne, so they have to face a lot of problems and any more father has sent John Donne to Fleet prison. तो any more के जो father थे उन्होंने जॉन डन को जेल में भेज दिया और वो जेल का नाम क्या था? फ्लीट प्रिजन. व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ द प्रिजन? फ्लीट प्रिजन. एंड यहाँ पे सैम्यूल ब्रूक कौन है? यहाँ पे सैम्यूल ब्रूक वो हैं जो कि विटनेस थे जिन्होंने जॉन डन एंड एन मोर की मैरिज करवाई थी, शादी कराई थी. सो नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द मेजर वर्क्स ऑफ जॉन डन. पोइट्री. His poetry were based on songs and sonnets. So his poetry was based on song and sonnets. His important poems were The Flea, A Valediction Forbidding Morning. Third is The Sun Rising. Fourth is The Canonization. So the third is The Canonization. Now let us discuss about his religious poetry. His religious poetry was Holy Sonnet. His religious poetry was Holy Sonnet. Now, important कौन सी थी? Sonnets. Death, Be Not Proud. Second, Better My Hurt. So when his death was near, so he wrote the sonnet Better My Hurt and Death, Be Not Proud. Then if we discuss about his prose, so his most famous prose were Devotion Upon Emergent Occasions and the second is Meditation 17. So there were two important prose of John Donne which were very famous. devotion upon emergent occasions, and meditation 17. So let us discuss it again. The poetry, the most important poems were The Flea, A Valediction, Forbidding Morning, The Sun Rising, The Canonization. So the sixth point is about his death. So John Donne died on 31 March 1631. He died on 31 March 1631. He was buried in St. Paul's Cathedral. He was buried in St. Paul Cathedral. So before starting the video, I already told you that why John Donne is known as the father of metaphysical poetry. So John Donne is known for the metaphysical poetry because his poem contains wit, logic, paradox, conceit, philosophy and emotions. So these are the things which are present in his poetry. Wit, logic, paradox, conceit, philosophy and emotions. This is important works. Love poetry. So in love poetry, he has given his famous works like The Flea, The Sun Rising, The Good Morrow. He has written a lot of famous works. So let us discuss about his works. In love poetry, he has written The Flea, The Sun Rising, The Good Morrow. Then in religious poetry, the very famous works are his holy sonnets, Death, Not to be Proud. And if we talk about prose, then he has written Devotion upon Emergent Occasions. He has written Devotion upon Emergent Occasions. Simmons. Then famous concepts like metaphysical conceit. He has written the famous concept like metaphysical conceit, in which, so what do you mean by metaphysical conceit? Metaphysical conceit means the comparison between two different things. So if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.